Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. And in this really short video, I just want to give you the most basic explanation of the inverse square law I can possibly give. And it really is 90% of understanding it. There's definitely more nuance to it, but I'm just going to show you with this little demo I have. So I have these two old vintage film canisters with me right here that I got from my friend RJ. And I have my flashlight here and I'm going to put it on its lowest power. And you can see at its lowest power, it's not really illuminating these at all. But if I bring it in really close, you'll see that it starts to illuminate it because the light intensity has gotten stronger. So the light intensity from here to here is pretty bright, but by the time it gets over to this canister, it's fallen off already. Because it's so close to here, the fall off of light is really rapid and it doesn't quite reach this one. So how could I illuminate these evenly? Well, I would take the light farther away, and because it's farther away now, the light fall off from here to here is less noticeable, but the whole thing is dim. So now none of it's illuminated. So I just bring up the power of my light. So if I bring the power up, now you can see I'm getting both of these illuminated. It's still not even. This one's still a little brighter than this one, but I am starting to finally get exposure here. So I could then again go even farther away, turn up the light even more, and I'm getting even more exposure on this one. So the inverse square law is the fall off of light, but it's not linear, it's the inverse square of the distance. So that's really about it. If you learned something in this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I also have a backlog of YouTube videos you can check out that cover all sorts of stuff. And then of course, lumauniversity.com is where I have all the in-depth training that just wouldn't do well as YouTube videos. So you can check that out over there. I've got some free courses that go more in-depth on how all this works and stuff like that. And of course, if you need anything at all, I'm always here for you. And I will see you in the next one.